पीछे रेनबो है, रेनबो. You can see guys, rainbow. That's a rainbow. It's very beautiful, yeah. God damn, look at this guys, check this out. This is a beautiful rainbow which we have it over here. It's so bright, god damn, look at this. What's up everybody, it's your boy Adventure Ashutosh back with a new game with a new video. मैं वैसे जैसे कि guys आज हम लोग आए हैं Super 99. You can see these guys. These has a lot of collections over here. So I really wanted to buy something for myself because I came here for 2 months back. तो मुझे कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी चाहिए थी घर में जो मैं यूज़ करूँ because मैं पीजी में रह रहा हूँ. So I need some stuff. So I bought this bottle today. So you can see. So it's a very beautiful bottle we can see over here. So I wanted to get a bottle for myself. I bought this bottle. It's a very beautiful. So I'm gonna drink the water inside. I put it inside and drinking a lot of water. And it's still raining outside, man. I wanted to buy some more stuff. So let's go and see what we can buy. So here you can see there are many things are there. I really wanted to buy a pillow. You can see over here. The pillow also is there. Let me take it out. How much for these, bro? 200 bucks. Holy crap! It's a beautiful, comfortable. Wow. So I'm getting this pillow for myself because sleep is very important thing for your body. Sleep, at least you need a comfortable sleep. So I need this one. I'm getting this one. Okay? Yes. It's an open fish. Yeah, I'll get this. Done. I've got this. So more things I want to buy. Let's go this side. So that you can see over here. I was so clear as well. Let me wear the mask. Let me wear the mask because you have to wear the mask no matter what. So let's. Oh my God! Team, man. Let's go. Just check this out. There are a lot of sleepers are there. Where I can use the sleepers. Okay. Ladies, these are the unisex.
ये वाली है
So it's a man.
ये the man.
So guys, I got this sleeper. You can see it's a beautiful for 200 rupees. It's a tough and it has the same number, 8 numbers. So I'm gonna get this one for myself. So bro, shall I take this?
Yes,
What do
you
you
can.
say? Does it look good? 200. We have other options as well, but I don't like these ones. This look kind of cute. And we have one more over here. I think so this is a ladies. Let me see the price of this. 179. But no worries, I'll take these ones. These are more cute. Okay, so got the chappal as well. Anything else guys you want to So there are many things you can buy. These are all for girls, bro. We don't want to buy these things. Come on, let's go. We're finding an induction for ourselves. You can show to the camera to me, bro. Look at this. We're actually finding induction for ourselves. Once we get the induction, so we can cook a food on it. So you can see there is a gas as well. Mixer grinder. We don't need these things, right? You don't need to go there. These are the craft items. What we can buy. Play and all. There is no children at the TV, so we don't need. Animals I wanted, but it's okay. I don't want to. Wow, not every guy soft toys. Guys, you can check this out. There are many soft toys are there. So spongy and squishy. Look at this, the emoji collections. So there are toys for students. We need a ये खेलेंगे अपन रात को
कभी करेंगे कितने बजे?
टेनिस पे व्हाट यू से
कितने बजे?
लेफ्ट अपन घर पे जाने के बाद रात को खाना खा के बाद खेल ही सकते हैं अपन
हाँ ले लो
cock and bat. We can play on a terrace. Oh my god, look at this gada. Guys, look at this gada. Jai Shri Ram. Gada. You can see over here, guys. Peace out. Now I'm gonna explore. Look at this. Charmy, this is for you. Get well soon, Charmy. Get well soon, Charmy. Charmy is my friend. She is not well currently, so I'm praying her that she will be fine soon. She'll get home soon. This is not set properly. I think so. This is a perfect. You can see. Check this out. It has a bat collections as well. It's a bat, cricket bat. We can see over here. So look at this one. Oh my god! Look at this. This is so huge. It's the same number, but it's a tennis bat, but it's a good. You can see, guys, over here. I love this bat. I wish I could play cricket over here, but there is no friends over here. So these are a toy collection. I don't. Oh my god! Look at these puzzle. I used to play when I was in my teenage. I used to play chess, business. Oh, business. God damn! I love this one. Tambola is there. Word of science. This is also good. Business India. Oh my god. Ludo is there. Snake and ladders. Oh my god. Look at this. There is no Monopoly. I think so. There is nothing. There is no Monopoly. Yeah. So guys, let's go. Anything else we want to buy? Oh my god. Look at this Lamborghini, guys. God damn. Look at this. Look at this old custom car. I really wanted to make these collections of a car at my homes when I had. Look at this. This is a Mustang, I think. So there is an auto rickshaw as well. Holy crap, that's cool. That's kind of cool. Yeah, that's a Mumbai rickshaw, bro. That's kind of cool, bro. Let's go. And oh my god, I can see something over here. Let me drink something because I'm too thirsty. So can I drink something right now, or shall we shop? This is a copper. The same copper bottle I bought it today is in the back. The same thing. So copper is very good for your health benefit. It's actually good for your health. So that's what. And check this out, guys. Here also they have a lot of chocolates. There are chocolate collections over there. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this family Cartoon Network chocolates. Oh my god, look at this. They have so many. Black Bull, what is this? Energy candy. Do you really need these candy for energy? Millie, it's kind of an Imli flavor, right? Look at this. There are sweet with Indian tradition. Oh my god, look at this. So there are beautiful collection of toys. Oh my god, look at these ones. What's that, bro? You want to buy that? I'll get it, this one. What is this? This is kind of soft cake. Oh, I really want to buy this. I'll get this both. Anything else? Sweet candies and all. Okay. What's that, bro? Whistle. अच्छा वो थाईलैंड का प्रोडक्ट ऑफ थाईलैंड. This is a अच्छा American culture. Apple artificial flavor. Wow, look at this. Anything else, bro? What is this waffle? There is a vanilla flavor. Buy Tux Waffle, buy one rupees for buy four only for 90. Oh, that's beautiful, bro. If you can buy for 90 bucks, you will get it 4, bro. You want me to buy that for you? See, this perfume actually smells like cigar. Like, did you use this? Can you just open? I'll show you. See, smell this. This actually smells like cigar. Wait, I'll show you guys. Yeah, this smells like cigar. Yeah. Just try it. Cigar. It smells like cigar. Smells like cigar, right? Yeah, this smells like cigar. It's a beautiful. And even this is also it's kind of a little kind of a product of Do It. This is also. Can you just hold the camera, bro, for a second? Even this is a beautiful Dubai's product. Whenever you smell all the perfume, you need a coffee beans over there. So coffee beans can extract your smell. When कहीं दूसरा smell करते तो वो mix up नहीं होता. That's why perfume कभी भी थोड़ा सा दूर से. This is beautiful. Oh, that's awesome. I already have the perfume, so I don't need it. So let's go. And something else we can find out over here from this side, guys. So you can check this out. I wanted to get a razor for myself. Like these are that I don't need these things because I don't use cosmetic products on my face, so I don't need these things. But still, like I can get the earbuds if I want because yeah, this is a beautiful thing. I need it. Okay. God damn, I love this. Cat to the spoon. Anything else? Oh, these ones I was looking for, but no, I just want the blade because I've already have the razor. You know that. I just want the blade. There is no blade inside. Wow, look at this. So beautiful. That's it. Nothing is there right now. So it's all finished. This is a Super 99. We had shopped. And this is an adventure by Boshitosh in the house. So still stay on the next vlog. Adventure Ashutosh. Peace out. So guys, the one thing I have noticed over here, I've bought, as you can see, this Khadi Pure products which has a lot of natural fragrance in this, and these are the face pack and the face scrub. So there are two things are there. One is a papaya and one is a rose. That the mixture of rose and papaya. And this has only sandalwood. So this one I prepare you to buy these because it's a natural thing. You can use it on your face. You can just put these on your face and wash with the water for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, your skin will glow. It's a very beautiful product. I really recommend you guys. You can buy these. It's on Amazon as well, and you also can buy it from the nearby store. So it's a beautiful thing. I really love it. I'm gonna buy these ones. Let's go. So guys, finally we bought this stuff for ourselves. Let's see. Like these things are very good because I bought these biscuits as well. I bought the offer on this. Like if I buy one, I got two things. I bought these Manchurian balls as well. So let's end the video and just subscribe to my channel Adventure Ashutosh. Peace out. So what's up everybody, it's your boy Adventure Ashutosh back with the new game with the new video. So guys, आप काफ़ी टाइम के बाद पंजाब में बारिश गिरी, आप देख सकते हो पूरा सा चिकल हो चुका है और मेरे पीछे एक रेनबो है, आप देख सकते हो गाइस, काफ़ी ब्यूटीफुल लग रहा है. You can see this is so beautiful. I mean, look at this, the skies, everything is so much bright over here. It's so awesome, like it's a beautiful deal to come here. Because आज वेदर अच्छा था तो मैंने सोचा आज ब्लॉग बना लूँ. बहुत सारा शॉपिंग भी किया और आई विल शो यू द दैट साइड एज वेल. इट्स लुक्स क्वाइट ब्यूटीफुल. आई जस्ट शो यू गाइस. लेट्स गो. I bought this shades for 200. It's a Raven first hobby, but it's cute, awesome. I just love it. You can see the back side of me. So beautiful. You can see, guys. So beautiful. It's amazing. Like it's an awesome place. First time काफ़ी टाइम के बाद बारिश हो रही है. I just love this. Peace out. Till then, अपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो, शेयर करो, कमेंट करो अगर वीडियो पसंद आई. Till then, तब तक के लिए